Hello, teachers. Okay, we always want to start by making sure that we are signed in to our Middela account in Google Chrome. If you do not see that sync is on, there should be a blue button. Simply click Turn on Sync and you should be good to go. Then we're going to Staff Links and then Class Link. So we're going to click on Seesaw. Click I'm a teacher, log in with Google. Okay, so today we're going to look at how to organize your Seesaw. We're going to start with your library. In your library, you can organize your activities by collections. So you can create a collection for anything that you need. So I have a 4th grade social studies, I have my 4th grade math quarter 1, I have a back to school collection, and I also have 162 activities that are not in a collection, so don't do what I do. But you can put any activities into any of these collections so that you always have easy access to them and you're not searching through every single thing in your library. Next, we're going to go into our course and we're going to look at folders. So folders are how you keep student work and activities organized. So in the journal, you can sort by the folders that you've created so that you can find all of the math practice that you've assigned to your students, or everything from the back to school that you've assigned to your students. It's just an easy way to find things that your students have turned in. Also, in your activities, you can sort by folders again. So this way you can see everything that you've assigned. So even though students may not have responded and it may not be in the journal, you can still see what you have assigned. Now, in order to add an activity to a folder, what you can do is you can go to My Library. You're going to assign whichever assignment you want to. So I want to assign this one. You choose your course, hit Next, and from here you can add it to a folder. So not only do you need to tag your standards and choose which students it needs to be assigned to, your due date, you also need to choose which folder you would like it to go in. Then you can hit Save and Assign Now. Now that activity will be safely in a folder so that when your students turn it in, you can search by that. It just helps keep everything organized.